Okay, good day everyone. Next na topic natin is your diverticulosis and your diverticulitis. Okay, ano ang pinagkaiba ng diverticulosis natin sa diverticulitis? Okay, diverticulosis is the presence of diverticula. Pag sinabi nating diverticula, it is pouches. Okay, etong mga to, di ba? Para siyang sac. Okay, para siyang sac, okay, kaya sa pouch, okay, and then diverticulitis, inflammation of the diverticula, okay. Pag nagkaroon ng inflammation itong mga pouches ninyo, okay, so that's your diverticulitis, okay. Now, pag-usapan muna natin bakit nagkakaroon ng diverticulosis, okay. Diverticulosis, modifiable risk factor natin dyan is low fiber, okay. High red meat consumption, low fluid intake, lack of physical activity, obesity, and your smoking. When it comes to your medication, kasama dyan ang long-term use of NSAIDs, corticosteroids, and straining during bowel movement. Okay, your BM is your bowel movement. Okay, non-modifiable natin is our age, okay, after 40 years old, family history, and then gender, young adult, men, older naman, adult women, okay? Sa young adult, it's men, older women, older adult, it's women. Okay, so now, ano ang nangyayari sa diverticulosis natin? Nagkakaroon ng what? Nagkakaroon ng weakening of the wall ng alin, ng colon ninyo, okay? So, pag nagkaroon ng weakening ng wall sa colon, okay, at nagkaroon ng increase intraluminal pressure, ang nangyayari, nagkakaroon ng formation ng pouches, okay, ganito. But kunwari, this is your colon. Dahil sa sobrang pressure, okay, mataas ang intraluminal pressure, okay, intraluminal pressure. Ang nangyayari, di ba, pag nagpa-pass through yung mga pagkain dito, okay, or nagpa-pass through yung what? Yung na-form or yung mga waste product natin. Okay, nabubuo. Nagkakaroon ng pressure dito. So, tumataas yung pressure sa side. Ano nangyayari? Pwede magkaroon ng pouches. Okay, pwede magkaroon ng pouches. Okay, dahil nagkaroon ng weakening dito sa wall mo, okay, pwede magkaroon ng pouches. Okay? So, ngayon, yun yung tinatawag natin na diverticula, okay? Or diverticulosis, okay? Ang signs and symptoms ng diverticulosis ninyo, they are asymptomatic, okay? They are asymptomatic. Okay, now, paano naman nagkakaroon ng diverticulitis? Nagkakaroon ng diverticulitis pag nagkaroon ng obstruction ng stool, okay? Bacteria and undigested food. Saan? Sa may mismong diverticula ninyo or diverticulum. Okay, nagkaroon ng poops dito. Okay? Nagkaroon ng poops, di ba? And then, nag-increase ang bacteria. Okay? Yung mga undigested foods dyan. So, pwede bang ma-inflame yan? Yes, okay. Causing your diverticulitis. Now, ano yung mga signs and symptoms na pwede nating makita sa may diverticulitis ninyo? Okay, we have your left lower quadrant pain, we have your fever, chills, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and increased WBC. Okay, so pwede ba magkaroon ng ischemia? Okay, that could lead to your necrosis. Yes, okay, it could lead to your infection. Yes, okay. So, ano yung mga pwedeng maging complication natin? Okay, abscess formation. It should be abscess formation. Okay, perforation, peritonitis, and your fistula.